Yan na. Hi, good morning. Say hi, good morning na. Hi. Good morning. Say good morning. Okay, the first letter is, what is this, Gael? What letter is this? Galing ah. What letter is this?
K.
Huh?
K.
K. Very good. What letter is this?
M. M.
M. Galing ah. How about this? What letter is this? What letter is this, Gael? How about this?
Dadu.
Galing talaga. And how about this? What letter is this?
Y.
This one?
Y.
No.
B.
Oh, very good. How about this? What letter is this?
I.
Galing. How about this? What letter is this?
Y.
Yay! Very good. What letter is this?
A.
Wow, very good. How about this?
Tatay.
Yay! Very good. And this one?
O.
Galing, very good talaga. This one?
No.
Huh?
Egg.
Oh, very good. X. Very good ah. And this one? This one?
Y.
Hindi. No, this is not Y. This one is
A.
letter
I.
P. Yeah. Very good, Gael. Asa iba?